So what I'm doing today is I'm gonna go ahead and clean the floorboard in here. And when I say clean the floorboard, I'm just gonna take some simple car wash fluid, spray this down. I haven't done, I just hose it down with some water, low pressure water, and I'm gonna use that old broom there. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and I'll let you know how it comes out. This will be part of our series on doing the inside. So yeah, it was just nasty with so much dirt and debris and rat crap, probably, you know, just cleaning it out, making it good. We'll see you then. Shine wash and wax left over. This wash and wax, I'm just gonna go ahead and not spray it, but just kind of put some of it in. Cleaning all the floorboards out. It's not perfect, just alright. I'm gonna rinse this out and we'll see what we got. Oh yeah, look at that, all nice and foamed up. And luckily it's got all these drain holes that I haven't put the plugs in yet. Makes it perfect for just rinsing all that dirt away. No fear of rust or anything. I mean, this is going to be dry in the next, you know, it's sunny outside. So crazy just washing the house like a Jeep or something. Go around the other side, get a little bit better here. Still haven't actually washed the car to see what this looks like. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to wet sand this, and I don't think it was totally finished. Tell you what, it smells better already though. So this smelled like 30 years in a barn with mice and who knows what else. But I have the plugs that go there. Just wanted to clean this out like this instead of getting there and trying to spray everything out and wiping it down by hand. This is just so much easier. So we're gonna go ahead and just let this dry out, and next thing I'm gonna do is put the plugs there and in the floor pan, so I can cover this up with some Dynamat. I use like a Thermo King product. It's a lot cheaper than Dynomat, and it really has worked fantastic for a lot of the cars I've done in the past. So that's it. I'll see you guys at the next round.